We're BioLite, and today we're out to redesign a classic outdoor wearable and see it in a whole new light. Introducing the BioLite HeadLamp, an ultra-thin 330 lumen USB rechargeable headlamp featuring 3D slim fit construction that makes your hands-free light wildly capable and so comfortable you'll forget you're wearing it. The 3D slim fit construction is based on 3 dimensions of a perfect fit: a flush front, better balance, and smart fabrics. Seamlessly integrated housing merges the electronics directly into the band, creating an ultra-thin front that sits flush on your forehead with no bouncing. By reorienting the battery to the back, we keep the weight off the front of your face, reducing slippage and creating a more natural fit. And the entire headlamp features moisture-wicking fabric that keeps you cool and dry during activity. Clocking in at only 69 grams, the headlamp features 4 modes and the ability to control your light through easy dimmability. One-handed articulation enables your light to move with you without any disruption. With easy recharging via micro USB and runtimes of up to 40 hours, you can ditch the battery swaps and power up with the BioLite Energy ecosystem. Meet a headlamp that feels great, stays put, and gets the job done, wherever you may be.
Have peace of mind knowing you have a flashlight, GPS, and walkie-talkie with you wherever you go. Fogo's 1000 lumen flashlight keeps you safe and prepares you for any outdoor task, like setting up your tent at night. Accidents happen. Luckily, Fogo is waterproof and durable, so you don't have to worry about dropping it or damaging it in the rain or the snow. Use Fogo's built-in radio and GPS to keep track of friends and family while they're off exploring. Then bring everyone safely back to camp with Fogo's text messaging feature, or coordinate using Fogo's walkie-talkie.
Are you on your way?
Yeah, I'll be there in 15 minutes with the food.
Fogo also functions as a backup battery, so it keeps your USB devices charged while you relax in your tent. At night, Fogo's motion sensor makes it easy to find. Just move around and it turns on automatically to get your attention. Whether you're a camper, hiker, backpacker, or bike rider, Fogo is the ultimate adventure gadget designed to keep you safe while exploring. When you hit the trail, the Fogo tracks your route with its built-in GPS and pedometer. You can safely navigate unknown terrain as the Fogo guides you between waypoints, or create your own waypoints along the way for spontaneous geocaching. To maximize battery life and protect your night vision, Fogo switches to low beam when you point it at the trail in front of you and high beam for distant objects. At night, Fogo also guides you between your waypoints by giving a warning flash whenever you veer off course, helping you safely find your destination. If you're backpacking for longer than a day trip, Fogo enters breadcrumbs mode, automatically turning on once every 15 minutes to log your location. Fogo also works as an advanced bike computer with a built-in light, radio, and charger. Before you hit the trail, just mount Fogo to the handlebars using the GoPro or Garmin Edge compatible mounting adapter. While you're out, Fogo tracks your ride using GPS. You can also track your heart rate or cadence using Bluetooth. If you take a spill, Fogo can detect your crash and send out a message using the radio. When the sun goes down, the Fogo automatically illuminates the trail. The interchangeable wide beam reflector is perfect for mountain biking at night. The Fogo also saves your battery by switching to low beam when you slow down and high beam when you pick up speed. Set an estimated trip duration and the Fogo will make sure you use just the right amount of battery power to get back safely to your destination. The Fogo. Adventure, convenience, safety.
This is the ComplEAT by Gerber. The ComplEAT is designed for users who need a tool that they can cook, clean, and eat with that's compact, organized, and easy to transport. Not only is the spatula a chassis to hold the rest of the implements together, it's got a silicone edge for scraping and cleaning, got a serrated edge for light cutting duty, and its glass-filled nylon construction is rigid enough to be a real spatula and withstand high temperatures. The ComplEAT also includes a fork and a spoon, either of which can be used to convert the spatula into a pair of tongs. Also included with the ComplEAT is a 4-function solid-state multi-tool that includes a package opener, can opener, bottle opener, and vegetable peeler. The ComplEAT's nesting design makes it easy to transport, and its aluminum and glass-filled nylon construction makes it corrosion resistant. All that, and it also weighs less than 2.5 ounces. The ComplEAT is available in silver, onyx, flat sage, and burnt bronze. Organization can be key when it comes to setting up a camp kitchen. The ComplEAT takes care of all that by nesting together and staying clean.
When we came up with the idea for the crush light, we tried to come up with a way where we could take all the things that Gold Zero does so well, solar and batteries and lights, but how can we get all of that into something that you can just throw in a bag and take with you very easily? And that was kind of the idea behind the crush light. It has 3 brightness settings, high, medium, and low brightness settings. On high, it's 60 lumens, and it'll run for 3 hours this way. And then all the way down to low, it'll run for actually 35 hours on this setting. It is also waterproof with an IPX4 rating, so if you leave it outside, gets in the rain, that's no problem. It charges from solar, and it will also charge from USB, so you can plug it into any USB port and charge it that way as well. The handle, the hang handle, can actually be detached. So if you're camping, you can detach that, hook it over a tent pole, something like that, hang it from that, or if power goes out, you can hook it to something inside your closet. It's a good way to be able to hang it somewhere. So why make the light collapsible? The obvious answer is, you can get it really, really small, so it's packable. But there's a little more to it than that. Some flexibility that comes along with being collapsible. You can hang it different ways, you can use the light different ways, you can expose it halfway or all the way. Even the solar in itself, you can point it at the sun if the sun's low. I think there's a huge range of why people need this light. On a more serious level, for humanitarian efforts, when we go to Sandy or after Hurricane Harvey comes by, when things like that happen, we can take stacks of these things out. They're affordable, they're durable, they charge from solar, they're water resistant. That's really exciting to me. For the same reason that it's useful to someone after Hurricane Harvey is the same reason that I recommend keep one of these in your car, keep one of these even at the office. If the power goes out or if an emergency happens, you have a place you can go where you know you can get light that can be recharged. It's just, it doesn't take up any room. You can keep one in the glove box, keep one in your backpack, and you're just always ready. You just always know there's a way for you to get some light.